How to add IDM extension in Opera browser. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another tutorial video, and today I am going to show you how to add IDM in Opera. So first you need to open Opera and right click on the screen anywhere and go to the extensions option. It will let you to this page here. Make sure you're in developer mode, and after that go to your desktop and right click on the Internet Download Manager, then click on the open file location. Here you need to find the file with the name idmgcext.crx. So this is the file you need. Just drag and drop to Opera here. After you drag it here, click on install. After that, again click on yes, install. It will start installing. After that, go back and check if it's enabled, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Meet you guys in the next video.